All right, let's talk. How many times have you heard this? Just keep speaking for free, and one day someone will finally pay you. No, that's a setup for burnout, not a business. Listen, if you're out here trying to turn speaking into a real career, you don't have time to hope and wait. You need to get paid, and you need to get paid now. That's exactly what we're diving into today. In today's episode, I'm going to give you my simple, no fluff 60-minute game plan to land your first paid speaking gig, even if nobody knows who you are yet. We're talking where the real money in speaking comes from. And here's a hint, it's not just keynotes. The fastest way to get booked without spending years building a name, how to pitch yourself like a pro so event planners pay attention, and my secret for turning free gigs into paid gigs, because sometimes, yes, there's a strategy behind that too. So if you've been spinning your wheels trying to figure out how to break into paid speaking, today is your day. I got you. So by the time we wrap up this episode, you'll have a clear step-by-step plan to land your first paid speaking gig in 60 days. That's not a guess. That's a proven strategy. So grab a notebook or open up your notes app because we're getting into it. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the podcast so you never miss an episode. Every week, I'm giving you the real, no fluff strategies to help you get booked, get paid, and own the stage. And listen, this isn't just about learning, it's about taking action. So let's get into it. So you want to understand your speaking niche. You want to be clear about what problem you solve and for whom. Successful speakers don't just motivate, they provide solutions. Now, you want to start out by defining your audience. There are 7 major industries for speakers. Corporations, they are always looking for speakers. Associations, faith-based organizations like churches and synagogues, nonprofits like Rotary clubs and Chamber of Commerce, government and military, colleges and universities, and education like elementary school, middle school, and high school. Your niche determines where you'll find opportunities. Choose a topic event planners pay for. Leadership, diversity, sales, team building, or industry-specific insights get booked more than general inspiration. Now, you want to create a speaker one sheet, and you definitely want to have a website presence. Your one sheet must include your bio, your signature talk topics, audience takeaways, testimonials, and contact details. Now here's a speaker bio tip. You want to frame your speaker bio around how you help audiences, not just your experience. Here's an example for you. I help organizations increase employee engagement through, and then finish that rest of that sentence. Now, here's some website essentials. You definitely need to have a website, like I said. It needs to be clean, a simple page with a high quality speaker reel, testimonials, and a contact form. And that contact form is your name, your address, city and state, your zip, your phone number. And make sure that you have your social media icons on your website, because event planners are definitely going to check you out. And also make sure you have downloadable headshots on your website. Now, where do you find speaking gigs? The best platforms are LinkedIn. LinkedIn has plenty of speaker groups that you can go in to find speaking engagements. Also, that's where the event planners, conferences are, places like that for you to look for speaking gigs. Speaker Hub is another place to go look for speaking gigs. E-speakers and your local business networking groups. You also want to tap into your network, your past clients that you might have had, former employers, industry connections. Many companies prefer hiring someone they know, like, and trust. That's that KLN factor. Now, there's event directories that you should be checking out for speaking engagements also. Check sites like Eventbrite and Meetup, an association conference list to see who's booking speakers. Now, here's how to pitch yourself and get a yes. You want to send out a cold email to event planners. I'm going to give you an email formula that you should use. You should state who you are, the problem you solve, and why you're a fit, and how to book you. That's it. Who you are, the problem you solve, and why you're a fit, and how to book you. Keep it short. You don't want to send a long, drawn-out email. And position yourself as the solution. Instead of saying, I'm a speaker on leadership, say, I help teams increase productivity through better leadership habits. That sounds a lot stronger than I'm a speaker on leadership. And definitely you need to have a follow-up strategy. When you send out your cold email and there's no response in 7 days, you want to send a quick follow-up. If you still get no answer after 7 days, try again in 30 days with new insights. Now, here's how to turn free gigs into paid opportunities. You only want to speak for free if there's a clear upside in it for you, like there's decision makers in the audience who book speakers. You can sell your products or services from the stage, or you can get high quality video footage from your speaking engagement. Now, here's an upsell strategy. Offer consulting, workshops, books, or follow-up training after the talk. And just don't leave after your speaking engagement is over. Here's 3 follow-up questions that you need to present to event planners. Who else do you know that books speakers? What events do you have coming up that I could support? And can I send you a testimonial request to share with your network? The truth is, speaking is a business, not just a passion project. And if you're out here treating it like a side hustle, that's exactly what it's going to pay you. Side hustle money. But if you treat it like a business, oh, now we're talking. That's when the real money starts flowing in. Make sure you subscribe to the podcast so you never miss an episode. Every week, I'm giving you the real, no fluff strategies that help you get booked, get paid, and own the stage. Oh, and before you go, let me give you a sneak peek at next week's episode. I'll be breaking down the #1 secret to getting booked again and again. Because let's be real, getting one gig is great, but you want a system that keeps gigs rolling in on repeat. And trust me, most speakers mess this up big time. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next episode.